It's a multifacial question. He says, according to this verse of the Holy Quran, Allah the Almighty set seal on the hearts of the people, so they became deaf, dumb and blind, and whether you warn them or not, they will not accept the truth. So whereas in the light of history, we see that after a long time this verse was revealed. Abu Sufyan or this sort of people accepted Islam. So after saying this much, he says the Aryans they raised this allegation that what sort of God is the God of Islam, that he first of all seals the hearts of the people, then he punishes them. So
this verse is misinterpreted right from the beginning. According to Muslim theologians, even of old, I'll tell you, إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا سَوَاءٌ عَلَيْهِمْ أَأَنذَرْتَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ. Those people who have rejected in a manner that it doesn't make any difference to them whether you admonish them or admonish them not. These are the people who are sealed. Eyes and ears and hearts are sealed. So it's not because they are sealed they cannot hear, because they are determined not to hear. So it's the other way around. After that, all the allegations are dropped automatically. The Aryan allegation has no sense in it now. Read the verse again. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا at those سَوَاءٌ عَلَيْهِمْ أَنذَرْتَهُمْ أَمْ لَمْ تُنذِرْهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. Those of the non-believers who have decided that whatever you do, you threaten them of the consequences or do not, you admonish them or do not, they are determined not to believe. So if they are so determined, then their hearts are sealed. No good thing will ever enter it now. Understand? Such people were at the time, many such people were at the time of Rasulullah who took this attitude that we are not going to believe even if Allah tells us. And the same way Masih of Islam was treated by the extremist mullahs. If God comes down and tells us that He is true, still we will not believe. So it is these people who are being discussed here.